Get ready for the dictation. Start. Food grains will offer immediate relief, but workers need more substantive succor. More than 50 days since a nationwide lockdown was announced by the union government, it is clear that what was done as a public health measure to protect people from the COVID 19 threat has snowballed into a major economic crisis for the urban poor in general and migrant labor in particular. The travails of migrant workers have been well documented. With loss of livelihoods, they have been pushed into penury in their places of work. And with the lockdown initially preventing interstate travel, many have embarked on arduous journeys to their native places to get some support at a time of acute distress. In the second of a series of measures that are part of a rupees 20 lakh crore economic package, Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman has tried to address the needs of these sections apart from small farmers. She has recognized that migrant workers have taken to the Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme in a major way after the center gave explicit instructions to reopen the scheme. As in the past, this remains a lifesaver for people dependent on fragile livelihoods, and the decision to extend it to the monsoon season is welcome. The government should also ensure that wages are paid without delays, a major problem with the scheme's implementation lately. A waiver or at least an extension of the 100-day limit per household too would have helped. It is now open to the states to ensure the scheme is implemented properly. For migrants who are still stationed in their places of work and who are not beneficiaries of the National Food Security Act or state schemes, the Finance Minister has promised 5 kg of food grains per person and 1 kg of chana per family per month for 2 months. This will bring the number of people receiving subsidized food grains close to the legal requirement of the National Food Security Act. It is a welcome relief for many starved workers, but the government could have extended the public distribution system coverage to include more people who are suffering from loss of jobs and livelihoods besides migrant workers. Mrs. Sitharaman also announced that the One Nation, One Ration Card scheme to allow migrants access any fair price shop across the country will be implemented by March 2021. But this scheme, as implemented now, has been utilized only sparingly by migrants and concerns from states like Tamil Nadu, where PDS is near universal, are yet to be addressed. Many of the announcements, including one for Small farmers are a combination of liquidity and credit easing measures or the extension of existing schemes. As things stand, they fall short of the substantive physical measures that could stimulate demand in the economy. After all, that seemed to be the crux of the Prime Minister's promise of spending rupees 20 lakh crore. Stop.